In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn a lot of money with the Kraken Referral program in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So right now, I just got paid for 3 friends I just invited into Kraken. And as you can see right here, I have earned just 60 euros in Bitcoin right now. And if we go to the referral program, we can see more details right here. So this is the bonus I have received right now, 60 euros, because you get 20 euros for every friend who signs up and trades on Kraken with your invite link, up to 200 euros. And on top of that, they will also get 20 euros completely for free. So this means that the total reward for inviting a friend on Kraken is 40 euros on Bitcoin. As you can see right here, rewards will be paid in Bitcoin. And if you want to take advantage of this referral program, you can make your first 20 euros just by signing up with my invite link. So I will leave the link in the description below, or you can also use this invite code and sign up on Kraken normally. So when you are signing up, it will ask you for an invite code. So when you are creating your account, you will see something like this to enter an invite code, and that's where you need to paste this code. I will leave in the description below. But if you use the direct link to sign up on Kraken, this field right here should be filled automatically. As you can see right here, a code is not required to create your account, but it will give you 20 euros completely for free. All you need to do is create your account with the code, then deposit 100 euros and trade 100 euros in crypto. So basically trading them means that you can just convert them from one crypto to another, or just do any simple trade like that one. And this way you won't lose any money and you will get the 20 euros completely for free without risking your money. After you get this reward, you can just keep inviting more friends and then withdraw the money to your bank account just by doing this right here and ask for a bank transfer, or you can also withdraw it to any crypto wallet you want. So that's it. That's how you can start earning a lot of money using Kraken Referral program in just a few steps. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.